Hi, Lou Manfredini, Ace's home expert, and I've got a little tip on how you can clean your toilet tank. This is a problem for a lot of people. Maybe you notice that you get a little discoloration in the bowl itself, and then when you look inside this tank, it doesn't look that clean, and you're not quite sure how to clean it up. Well, at your local participating Ace store, you can find this product called Hurriclean. It's basically Alka-Seltzer for your toilet tank, and it works really well. It was invented by a plumber. What it is you've got this packet. You get 3 packets in each one of the boxes that you would purchase, and you want to do this overnight. So after you get ready to go to bed and you know you're not going to be using the bathroom, you need about a good 6 hours for this to go inside the tank. It will not harm the plumbing. You open up the packet here like this, and then you just go ahead and sprinkle this inside the tank. And what's going to happen is it's going to start to react with the water, and it's going to start to foam up a little bit. And while it does that and it reacts with the water, it's going to clean the inside, the bottom, around all of the fittings and whatnot. And then in the morning, you just come in, flush the toilet, and then when you look inside that tank, it is going to look nice and clean. It's that simple. You'll find this at your local participating Ace store. If you have any questions, they can answer them as well. Remember to follow us on YouTube and go to our website, acehardware.com. Ace is the helpful place.
Perfect.